So we're in the Hab 1 building, and we are making beer today for the Applied Malting and Brewing class.
In this class, we're able to actually design and brew beers, and so they see the entire process of brewing. The nice thing about this and the neat thing about it, I think, is students in the second half of the semester, after they've had some experience with this, get to design their own beer. And the beer that we're making today is a Dunkelweizen. Students design the entire thing themselves, and then they get to brew it. So in about 2 weeks, we'll get to taste it. Hopefully it's going to be something that we're going to be proud of. For the COVID protocol, we have one student that actually does the brewing at a time, and we're following them with a GoPro camera. The GoPro is then hooked up to our 65-inch monitor through its own application, so we could see the entire operations and follow the student along. The nice thing about the GoPro is we can put it on a stick and be 6 feet away, so that helps a lot. It's hard to get all those students, even in a normal time, around to be able to see what's going on. So this is going to be helpful even after we can relax the protocol.
So with this Applied Malting and Brewing class, it's all-encompassing with food science. It's incorporating a lot of food chemistry when we're talking about water chemistry. It's talking about food processing and the sanitation and the cleaning aspects as well. It's about the food analysis and understanding the breakdown of each different ingredient that we're incorporating within the brew. And it's really incorporating a lot of different classes that we've taken in previous years and bringing it all together for one really hands-on class. Very amazing. I love it.